My dear viewers, now discuss what is alloy and discuss with its property and application. Alloy is the material made from two or more elements, at least one of which is a metal, to create a new substance with superior property to its individual components. Commonly example, steel, combination of substance iron and carbon, bronze, combination of substance copper and tin, brass, combination of substance copper and zinc. That is property by mixing metal with other elements such as non-metals or other metals. Alloy are formed with enhanced hardness, strength and resistance to corrosion. However, alloy typically have lower electrical thermal conductivity and may have a lower melting point. Application of alloys due to their enhanced property, that is many property include alloys. Alloy are used in a very variety of application, from construction and vehicles to surgical instrument and airspace technology. Okay, thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.